Flying has been a big part of my life. I come from a family of military aviators. My father, he was a 30-year Air Force officer, and my three older brothers were all military aviators. I sold my first plane when I was only 20 years old and earned my pilot's license, and I have owned 2 Cessna airplanes. I've flown gliders, tried skydiving and hang gliding. There's just something special. It is the anticipation and the excitement, the magical feeling you get every time your body leaves the ground. I try to interpret those feelings in my art, just as in Eagle Against the Sun, a bronze and stainless steel monumental sculpture I created to capture that spirit and expression of flight, that freedom of soaring above the earth. I came up with this composition of using an eagle with his wings spread wide, flying through the rays of the sun. I designed a 6-foot diameter polished stainless steel ring to express the sun's rays. I decided to weld and attach the eagle's upper wing to the top of the ring. This would allow the lower wing to be surrounded by negative space, creating a stronger sense of flight and movement. The overall abstract design of the sculpture is a circle above a pyramid. The sculpture is designed to spin 360 degrees at the top of the pyramid base. The bald eagle is a large bird of prey found all over North America. They can weigh 14 pounds with a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet and have a lifespan of 20 years. These graceful and fierce birds have been the national symbol of the United States of America since 1782.